Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add your logo to your website. By the end, you'll know how to upload your logo, generate a new one, and customize it. You can use B12's AI agent to change your logo. Switch to the AI agent tab, then type Change My Logo. Click the clip icon, select your logo, then press the up arrow. The logo will be added to your header. You can also let B12 AI agent create one for you. Type your prompt. The clearer and more descriptive it is, the better your results will be. After a few moments, your new AI-generated logo will appear automatically in your website header. You can even continue chatting with the AI agent to make tweaks until you find one you like. To manually upload your logo, switch back to the Edit tab. Click on the header to open its left sidebar settings. Under Brand Logo, click Replace. Choose Library to select an image you've already uploaded, or click Upload Media to add a new file from your computer. Once you've chosen your logo, click Continue. Next, let's resize your logo. Scroll and click Header. Select the dimension under Logo Size. A drop-down menu with different size options will appear. Select the size you want. You'll also need to adjust the settings for mobile view. Click the mobile icon at the top left of the preview pane, then scroll to Mobile Settings. Select Logo Size, then adjust the size of your logo as needed. If your logo still looks too small after selecting large, it may have extra white space around it. Go back to Brand Logo, then click Edit under the image. Select Crop Image, then adjust the cropping tool. Once you're done, click Crop Selection to confirm changes, then click Save. If you ever need to remove your logo, click the X button on the upper right corner of the photo. This will remove it from the header. Once deleted, your site will automatically display your written brand name instead. To edit the word mark, click back, then open Style Settings. Select Fonts and click Override Fonts. Next, choose Logo Text. From here, you can adjust the font family, weight, style, size, line height, and spacing. When you're finished, just click Publish in the upper right corner to make your updates live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.